Hi everyone, my name is Kelsey and I'm a product manager for our commercial microfiber category. Today, I want to introduce you to our brand new HYGEN Disposable Microfiber product line. This product line was purposely designed for healthcare, but is a great option for any facility looking to improve its cleaning efficacy, especially in the wake of COVID. Our disposable microfiber is proven to remove 99.7% or more of tested viruses and bacteria with water only. You may be wondering, why is this so important? The CDC identifies cleaning as the first step in the disinfection process because organic matter and debris interfere with the microbial inactivation of disinfectants. This just means if you don't properly clean a surface before disinfecting, the disinfectant may not be able to effectively do its job of killing viruses and bacteria. To demonstrate our disposable microfiber's cleaning performance and microbe removal power, I will use a fluorescent marker. You can see here the particles in the marker glow to represent bacteria on a surface. This type of marker is commonly used to verify cleaning practices. This is for demonstration only, and it helps us visualize what is happening at the microbial level. For comparison, I'll use a damp paper towel, a disinfecting wipe, and our HYGEN disposable microfiber prepared with water per the instructions on the tub. Because our disposable microfiber is made of 100% polyester, it is safe to use with disinfectants like quat, bleach, and hydrogen peroxide without risk of binding. As you can see in this side-by-side comparison, the paper towel and disinfecting wipe leave glowing streaks behind, indicating dirt and bacteria are still on the surface. This also means the disinfectant wipe may not be working effectively to kill the bacteria on the surface. With the HYGEN disposable microfiber, there are no streaks left behind, indicating effective removal of the dirt and bacteria. If you choose to use our disposable microfiber with a disinfectant, you now have an added layer of assurance that your surfaces are being well cleaned and disinfected by combining our microbe removal power with the disinfectant's killing power. Our HYGEN disposable microfiber system includes cloths, a charging tub, and pads for the floor cleaning. You can expect the same cleaning performance and microbe removal on our pad as I demonstrated with the cloth. This product is available now. To learn more, reach out to your local sales rep or visit our website.